In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Spotify Premium for students. By the end, you'll have a clear path to unlock ad-free music at a discounted price the right way. Start by opening the Spotify app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to upgrade. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're on the one you plan to use long term so your subscription lands in the right place. From the home screen, head to Premium. On mobile, that tab is usually at the bottom. On desktop, look for an upgrade or premium option in the menu. You'll see several plans listed side by side: individual, student, duo, and family. We're focusing on the student plan today. Tap or click the student plan to open the details. Take a moment to review the pricing and what's included: the discounted monthly rate, ad-free listening, offline downloads, and unlimited skips. Depending on your region and eligibility, you may also see a free trial offer. If the student option doesn't appear, it may not be available in your country, or your account might already be on a different plan. So check availability or switch back to a free account first. When you're ready, choose try 1 month free or the offer shown. Next, Spotify needs to verify that you're an eligible student. Tap Next to begin. You'll be redirected to Sheer ID, Spotify's trusted verification partner. This step confirms your enrollment to keep the discount exclusive to students. On the Sheer ID page, follow the prompts and provide the requested school verification details. Make sure what you enter matches your official school records exactly. Spelling, dates, and institution name all matter. If you're currently enrolled and the information is accurate, verification is typically quick. If you run into an error, double check for typos or try again later from a stable internet connection. Once you're verified, you'll be sent back to Spotify to finish up. Enter your payment details and confirm the subscription. Even if a free trial is active, adding a valid payment method is required so your plan can continue seamlessly after the trial. Keep in mind that recurring billing will begin at the discounted student rate, and availability or length of any free trial can vary by region and time. That's it. You now have Spotify Premium Student at a reduced price with all the premium features unlocked. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and straightforward tech guides. Enjoy your music.